I live with my sister in a two-floor family house. She has the ground floor, and I live upstairs. Most nights, she stays at her boyfriend's place, so the entire house feels like it's mine. One night, I was watching a horror movie alone in my upstairs living room. The layout is open. Kitchen behind me, dining area on the side, and a long stretch of darkness right behind my couch. And honestly, even though I'm a grown guy, being alone in that kind of darkness gets under your skin. I kept glancing back again and again. After the movie ended, I switched everything off and went to bed. 1:17 a.m. The wake-up that felt wrong, I snapped awake suddenly like something pulled me out of a deep dream. For a few seconds, I didn't understand why. Then I heard it, a woman's voice from downstairs, calling my name. My sister's voice, but her tone was strange, like she was annoyed or trying to get my attention urgently. Still groggy, I stepped into the hallway and turned on the light. What happened? I called out. Her voice floated up again through the darkness. Come downstairs. No door opened, no footsteps, no movement, just her voice. Already inside the house. I walked down the stairs slowly, calling out, "What's wrong? Why are you yelling?" I reached her hallway in complete darkness. My fingers slid across the wall, trying to find the switch. When I finally turned on the kitchen light, the whole downstairs lit up, and everything was empty. Asterisk, asterisk, she wasn't there. But something had used her voice. Asterisk, asterisk, her shoes were gone. Her bag wasn't there. Her room was untouched. I called out louder. Hello? Silence. Then suddenly, bang, a heavy thud inside her bedroom. A sound that didn't belong. I froze, because I had just looked inside that room. There was nothing on the floor that could fall. A chill ran through me. I backed up the stairs slowly at first, then ran the last few steps like a terrified kid. I locked my door and grabbed my phone. Called my sister. No answer. I lay awake the entire night, listening to every noise the house made, convinced something was moving downstairs. Morning at 8 a.m., she finally texted, "Why did you call me last night?" I asked, "Weren't you home around 1 a.m.?" She replied, "No." I stayed at my boyfriend's. I didn't come home at all. My stomach dropped. I went downstairs again to see what could have made that loud sound. Not a single object was on the floor. Nothing had fallen. Nothing was touched. But the voice I heard, it wasn't close. It wasn't similar. It was exactly my sister's voice. Calling me, leading me downstairs, just not her. I still don't know what I heard that night. All I know is, something inside that empty apartment knew my sister's voice well enough to copy it perfectly. And it wanted me alone in the dark.